Hi everyone, in this video tutorial I will show you how to optimize your mesh, tetrahedral mesh in Abaqus. Let's take a look at this mesh. We have a quality of mesh, looks great, but I think we have zones that can decrease the size of our mesh and zone have increases that make our result dispersed and not localized and in the main position. Let's go to hide our mesh. The problem of our part is the surface or faces have many faces or many surfaces in their parts. Let's remove mesh first. Delete part native mesh. Click yes. Now we don't have mesh in our part. Let's mesh again to see how many faces we have in our part. Click yes. You can see here we have 431 faces we need to complete to mesh. We have more than 500 faces in our model. To resolve this problem and optimize our mesh, let's go to Tool, Virtual Topology, Combine Faces. The select part lock it. Let's go to Assembly, Unlock. Now let's go to Mesh. Select part, we have this part. Tool, Virtual Topology, Combine Faces. Let's go to Part, Mesh, Unlock. Let's go to Part. You need to unlock our part in our part module. Now we have unlocked part. Let's go to mesh again. Now let's go to tool, virtual topology, combine faces. Let's first delete or hide mesh. This option hide our mesh or show mesh. Let's select the faces to combine. You can select individually each surfaces, but you can use by face angle, and we have 20 degree between faces and faces. You can select. Let's select each face have or has less than 20 degree between. Click on yes. We have this surface in this side have more than 200. Click yes. Delete previous mesh. Yes. Now we have surface or two surfaces in our part. Clicked on. Let's go to mesh again. Mesh. Click yes. Now we have two faces in our part. takes time converting mesh from linear to quadratic. Now let's show our mesh. Now we have grid mesh or optimized mesh than others, but still have mesh with minimum size but have a good shape. That's all for this video. I hope you enjoy with this video. Don't forget to subscribe in my YouTube channel. See you in the next video.